So let's talk outsourcing. You can send us your designs, and of course, we can be also your design office. We can do your sourcing, your production, your quality control. We can be your logistics center. And if you have any other idea, we are very open for everything. Hi, my name is Miranda Konstantinidou, and I'm the founder and designer of the brand Konplott. As a designer, of course, I was always dreaming of a place where I just go with my ideas and people help me to materialize them, where I can be inspired by new techniques and maybe new material. Yeah, and I traveled the world, but I actually didn't find this magical place. So one day I arrived to Cebu, it was 1999, and I knew immediately this is the place for me to be, and these are the people I want to work with. So while we are running under German management, in some ways we can be also very Filipino. I really love it, and I want to share it with you.
Hi, I'm Marijo, Head of HR. High-End Fashion Jewelry Production Philippines Incorporated, or Hyperfil, is a 700-strong, women-empowered corporation. We help Miranda make the world sparkle as we manufacture high-end fashion jewelries and accessories.
Welcome to our production!
The company supports various programs for its employees. We have trainings and seminars, both for soft skills as well as hard skills. We have training programs and orientations for our pregnant women to prepare them for the upcoming deliveries. Welcome to Cebu, Philippines, the home of high-end fashion jewelry production Philippines.
So if you are somehow curious and you want to come to challenge us,